In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Mailchimp the easiest way possible as part of our 2025 guide. Let's dive right in and break down the process step by step. First, head over to Mailchimp.com and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the left side menu and find the Campaigns section. This is where you'll manage all your email marketing active campaigns. Next, go ahead and click on the Create button located at the top right corner of your screen. A list of options will pop up, and from that list, select Landing Page. Now that you've initiated the process, it's time to name your landing page. Choose a name that's clear and helps you track it internally. For example, you might call it Free Guide Opt-in Page or Webinar Registration Page. After you've named your page, decide which audience you want to target. This is crucial because it ensures new signups are added to the right list, streamlining your workflow. Once you've made your selection, click Begin to move on to the next step. Mailchimp provides several templates designed for different goals. Whether you're looking to grow your email list, promote a product, or host an event signup, choose a template that aligns with these aims. When you found the right one, click Use Template. A handy tip is to select a layout with a strong call to action. This can significantly impact your conversion rates. Now we'll get into customizing your design using Mailchimp's intuitive drag and drop builder. You can edit each content block to suit your needs. For text, change headlines and adjust the copy to match your campaign message. If you have images to showcase, upload them here. Change the CTA button text to something compelling like "Get the free guide" or "Join now." Additionally, make sure you customize your sign-up form fields to collect exactly the information you need. Remember, visually adjust elements such as fonts, colors, background images, and button styles for cohesiveness and emphasis. Next, let's ensure that your landing page captures leads effectively. Click on your sign-up form block, and in the audience settings, choose the specific audience list you want new signups added to. Consider adding a tag like landing page signups, so that organizing and automating follow-up responses become a breeze. Once prospective clients sign up, directing them to an engaging thank you page is a great way to maintain momentum. You can either use Mailchimp's default message or redirect them to a custom thank you page. Opting for a branded thank you page can provide SEO benefits and allow for upselling options. Finally, when your landing page looks perfect, click the Publish button. Mailchimp will generate a live URL that you can disseminate through various channels such as emails, social media, and online advertisements, or even use it as your website's opt-in link. After publishing, it's important to go to Campaigns, Reports, and then Landing Pages to track your performance. Check your page visits, signups, and conversion rate. This data is key to optimizing your page for even better results in the future. And there you have it. A comprehensive, straightforward way to create your landing page in Mailchimp.